in today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how to export a web page in Safari as a PDF file format. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top, and then select where it says Export as PDF. And then you can name it whatever you want, wherever you want to save it as well. And if you want to give it a certain color code tag, you can. And then select Save. And then it should save it to that location as a PDF file. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.